Hey viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix flashlight not working in Realme phone. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open settings. So find out settings. Here you can see settings, just open it and then just scroll down and find system. After opening system, just scroll down and select reset phone, and then here you can see reset app preference. Just click on it and then reset app preference. Now go back and check your phone update. Click on about phone and then check your software version. Now go back and normally reset your phone 1 or 2 times. After all this process, check your problem solved. So that's the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.